와, 화순 이양군 홍수조절지. This is the flood water holding basin in Hwasun, Korea. It's a beautiful rainy day. I'm out here for my anti-cancer Tai Chi walk, or just power walk. Beautiful. I'm alone. I see occasional cars passing by. This is a Friday morning. It's a day off for me. So I'm super excited what will happen today. We have vast area of Basin. Basin is the water holding area. It used to be a beautiful furrow rice paddies. Now it's just deserted. Not deserted, maintained land that was excavated to hold water for 30 minutes in case of a flood. So this is upstream. As you can see, we have big mountains over there. So it's a kind of a head of the river. So it will hold water for 30 minutes in when we have a downpour. But it never happened. So it's a waste of money. That's what people say. It's a beautiful day today. I'm enjoying my walk here. If you are just curious about what the anti-cancer Tai Chi walk is, just search for the anti-cancer Tai Chi walk, or my name Hwasun Park, or Park Hwasun, PAHK, or thanks Park. That's my Gmail ID, and you would be connected to a lot of tons of videos that I've uploaded for teaching you how to do the anti-cancer Tai Chi walk, which I learned from Tai Chi masters in Korea, and who learned the technique from Tai Chi masters from China. Frogs are croaking in the pond. Beautiful rural area called Hwasun in Hwasun County in Korea. This is my childbirth town. I was born about 4 kilometers from here, but this is part of our city proper. It's a rural area. Suddenly the frogs became quiet because of my voice, maybe. Usually we don't have water, but recently we had some rain, so we have some water down there. That's the purpose of this water holding basin in case the big flood is rolling down from that mountain area. This area will let the water flow in the river, but when the capacity is too low, when the water overflows onto the over the river bank levee, then this area will hold the water. Vast area of empty excavated former rice paddies. They will hold water for 30 minutes, and the 30 minutes should be enough for people to flee the flood. So that's the purpose of the water holding basin. I'm out here doing my Tai Chi walk, anti-cancer walk. Just like that. I'm gonna walk through the village onto the mountain ridge and explore what's behind this small mountain hill. In case you are concerned about cancer, or if you have a cancer, just look for the video clip. Guolin, that's Chinese. Guolin walk, Guolin Qigong, Guolin Tai Chi walk, or just anti-cancer Tai Chi walk, or just look for my video. My name is Pak, P-A-H-K, or you can look up my videos through my Gmail ID. Thanks, Pak. So good luck with that.